Emergent China, soul-stirring. Speed development stirred, flowing brilliant. Great enterprise and new era of glory. Mincom people is continuously researching, innovating, and developing. Shenzhen, a world-renowned innovative city, is at the forefront of China's reform and opening up. Mincom was established in December 2013 and located in Shenzhen, specializing in serving worldwide innovative R&D companies and won a leading brand prize in SMT industry. Mincom owns 30 SMT assembly lines with Panasonic, Yamaha Machine, etc., and Ursa Selective Wave Soldering Machine, 3D Solder Paste Inspection Machine, AOI, X-ray, and BGA Rework Machine, etc. With the rapid development of modern technology and the continuous expansion of the company, Mincom has already become professional one-stop service provider starting from R&D, materials procurement, samples making, small volume, and SMT service, etc. High-speed development of modern technology and the continuous reform of innovative industries, China's manufacturing industry have reached to the international advanced level. Under the growing trend of personalized electronic products markets, Mincom is well prepared for Made in China 2025 and provide niche service for small volume SMT and engineering sample to be pioneer and leader. In order to improve efficiency of R&D and let customers see the product as soon as possible, Mincom has established platform-like electronic components online store, solution, and order online system, etc. Also, internal management system to provide many advantages, including efficiency, flexibility, extensibility, implementation simplicity, cost savings, and better user experiences. You can easily receive quotes and orders placing on Smart Manufacturing self-service online system by visiting website www.k-pcba.com. Mincom Electronic Components online store provides customers with diversity choices. Once order is placed, it will be with fully SMT automatic assembling, professional and strictly inspection on the first article, AOI inspection, DIP selective wave automatic welding, QA inspection to ensure each product in good condition. Mincom has always been adhering to the fast, convenient, caring, empowering, and altruism, and insist on policy of survival by quality, developed by efficiency to meet customers' requirements continuously. Implements a series of quality management systems strictly like ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 dual quality system certification, and etc. Along with the implementation of company strategy and the constantly expansion of market scale, Mincom has served more than 10,000 customers which covered all over the world. Mincom has built up a professional operation team with spirit of innovation, technology team with more than 10 years experiences and international management, promoting competitive power by innovation of technology, keeping healthy and sustainable development by sound risk system, by deeply understanding of Industrialization 4.0 to hew out a new pattern of smart industry service in integration of multiple specialized fields. In the future, Mincom will keep pace with the times, strive for excellence, optimize cost, integrate resources of industry chain, connect up and downstream enterprises to advance side by side, exploring and innovating to make R&D to be simpler and easier.